Oh, and we're live. Hello, everybody in the chat.
Hello,
Adelina,
hello.
how are you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Good
Yes.
afternoon, everybody.
There we go. Sorry, I forgot to mute my own YouTube, so I just heard myself talk. But yeah.
Oh, let me mute because. Okay, here we are.
My cash account. So let's see if the luck can continue on Ola Prime. I forgot to share my charts. Let me share some of these charts. All right.
Hello, everybody. Samuel, what is the password? Wait, we just started it. Have a little patience. Stick with us till the end if you want the password.
Yeah, we'll get to the password a little later in the session, El Samuel.
Mm-hmm.
Andre is back. Andre, how are you, my friend? Hope you had a good day, good trading day.
Yes.
I see a potential short, actually. All right, I'm entering short real quick. I see a potential. Today's been a very scalpy day, I have to say. Oh man, what did I enter? Oh, I entered in 2 contracts. Didn't mean to do that. Should always check how many contracts you're entering before you actually click sell. But I'm gonna have to. That's too much. That's too much size at this moment in time. And I kind of messed up there a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. I think I'm just seeing a bit of trap buyers in this area, but we are in a range, and realistically speaking, there's a high chance we're just going to keep going up on this range. So yeah, let me see what's coming in. A bit of absorption. No need back end because I'm pretty much going to get out. I entered with too much size. I'm just going to give it another few seconds just in case, if anything. Yeah, there's too much. All right, I'm out. Yeah, that was I entered. Damn, I didn't realize there was 2 contracts loaded up. Never mind. I see another potential trade appearing, so I will jump on. How is everyone? Andre, trade like a tiger, up 2% for the day, so I can't complain. Hope you guys are well. Very good. 2% is a great percentage.
2% is great.
Really good. Well, I'm gonna have to stick with 2 contracts now.
Oh, let me change this.
It's fine. I got the balance to handle a bit of a fluctuation. Just waiting for. We don't have any news coming out, do we? Let me have a look.
I don't think so.
No, everything is dead. Okay.
I'm also waiting to get in a long, but I saw, now that I know the footprints, I saw on the footprints some big buyers at the end of a candle that didn't manage to push up. So
yes,
if I will not see that a few days ago, I will go in a buy.
Yeah.
But now I'm not. And it's good that I'm not, I think.
Hopefully. I do see a short appearing soon. I can see the buyers are starting to exhaust slowly. So unless they get another more momentum to push the market up, I think I've got a good trade lined up.
Is anybody watching trading right now? In a position, anything?
These buyers are getting exhausted. I'm not seeing any traps, but I am seeing exhaustion, so that is usually... why not? I'm going in for short. Let's go in again. I do see them getting exhausted. So I want to see that extension happen. I'll go back down to here, maybe. My only worry is that this area here could form us like a bit of a support for the buyers, which which looks like it may have happened. Yeah, there's a bit of support there. If we get a bit of sell pressure come in, this could work out. If not, a bit higher up, I'll get out and flatten my voice. Sorry.
So what are you, in a short? Yeah, in a short.
Yeah, just dipping my toe in. I've definitely front-runned it. Just waiting for sellers to come in. I can see buyers are exhausted. The buyers have stopped buying. So I'm hoping sellers come in and take this opportunity to push the market down. But if buyers come in again, it ain't going to happen. Sellers have come in a little bit, but they're just not very effective right now, which is not good for me. But
this is the story of our sessions. Very slow. It starts getting slow.
Okay, big buyers coming in again. Yeah, they do. They do.
It did happen this morning.
All right, we've had some big buyers enter here. And they have failed to push the market up at this moment in time. Let's see if they continue failing. If they keep failing, this might be okay trade. But if they break past there, I'm getting out. Something's going on. Come on. No, they're breaking past. Oh, not yet. Bill sellers came in. Okay. Spoke too soon, maybe. All right, now some sellers are coming in. Let's see how effective these sellers are. Okay, we've got 130 sell contracts just dropped. They're not pushing the market down, though, which is not good. Not a good sign.
Andre said, I think you guys need a shot of a fast markets. Give the slow markets to Tony.
Yeah, I do prefer markets that move a little bit quicker than this. But it seems like every time our session starts, the market just goes sideways. It's like it just goes to sleep the moment we come on. Literally, like since we've come on, it's just gone to sleep, the market. But I do think
it's 12 o'clock. But that's why we here at the slow market, because we are the entertainment persons. We are the nice persons to watch. Tony, you watch the market with Tony. You don't watch Tony.
That's brilliant. All right, let's see if these sellers. They were somewhat effective, but there's definitely two icebergs on either side of this little range. What's the cumulative showing? 2.22527. I could go either way, to be honest, right now. Alright, if we break past those sellers, I'm getting out. Alright, heavy buyers coming in again. Whoop, I need to get out. Yeah, buyers came in quite heavy. Alright, let's wait a little bit. They broke past here eventually. Okay, big absorption just occurred. That's a good sign. You see, I think I'm alright for a sell again. I do think it wants to drop. It's just being slightly annoying. It wants to drop.
Give me 1 second.
Come on.
1 second.
Freaking buyers. They keep coming in. 80 contracts. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I didn't mean to yawn. I am tired.
What happened? How was your day? Why are you tired?
Just been on a computer all day, editing stuff, trading. Just a bit tired.
Okay.
Come on. Just need some sellers to come in. Buyers. Something is going on in this area. Something is happening. We've got some really weird order flow on the footprint. I do think it wants to drop though. It wants to drop. They're kind of over-exhausted, these buyers. It keeps creeping up ever so little. Just slightly annoying. Look at all those buyers come in again. Jeez Louise. They really don't like this.
Maybe they try to retest. I see you have an M pattern there. Maybe they try to retest that. How you call it? The neck of the M? No. The base.
The base. Just a load. Okay, cool. Yeah. I've been stopped out again. All right. I am being chopped up here. But I'll wait. I'll wait for the clear entry. It's all good.
You can get to my chart and show you guys what I was watching, what my levels are, and what do we need to happen for me to enter a trade.
It was still in this range. That's why. It was still ranging. Ooh, that's a nice area actually. Come on.
Hello. Let me know when you switch to my chart.
Oh yeah, back end. Switch to Adelina's chart, please. She wants to show some stuff. Thank you. All right, you're up.
Okay, so here we go. I want to show you guys my levels. This is the level from yesterday. You can see I had today a beautiful rejection. And this is another level that I'm watching next. On 1 minute, of course, I took this trade. But here, now what I'm watching. When I said about this candle, I saw a bunch of buyers that didn't move it up, but now I see it moves. I'm watching to break this area and give me a little retest and go in a long. I can see the EMA 50 also. It's an active support, so also if I want to go in a short, I want it to break the EMA 50 and give me a retest of that. For long, I want a retest of this area. For short, I want a retest of the EMA 50. And yeah, that's what we're waiting for on my end.
Nice.
If it's coming, I'll let you know.
Very good. I got in short again. I saw buyers get absorbed. Hoping you get the extension. Yes. Yes, back end. 25,573. Sorry, not 35.
So you got into the short?
Yeah, but again, there's something going on with the order flow here. It's not quite. It's being very weird the way the order. So what I'm seeing, I'll try break it down. Let me just keep my eye on this trade because I'm probably gonna have to get out again. And I'll explain what I see on the footprint. I think a big order is being filled, actively being filled. That's what's happening right now. So someone is accumulating buy contracts to feed a large sell order. That is what's happening by the looks of it. All right, I'm getting out, but let me explain. So every time we're pushing up, what I can see on the footprint is big buyers come in, right? Lots of buy contracts get traded, but then they drop down to really small amounts. So you would see like 200 come in, and then instantly it drops down to like 20 or 30 or something. So big absorption happening. And so obviously there's a big seller on the other end absorbing a lot of those buyers, right? This could be the move. The problem is the move could happen. I'm gonna go in again and I could miss it. So what happens is, say someone wants to enter 5,000 sell contracts, right? And they do it through the depth of market. So this thing on the side here, the book, right? If they want to place a really large order, a big institution, they can't just plummet it on one price level because everyone would see it, right? In the order book, and then everyone would avoid it, right? Because everyone will know where someone is entering. So they break it up into loads of smaller contracts, right? And they space it out between a large kind of area, right? And every time someone buys, so if I hit buy now, for example, my order gets paired with their large order that needs to be filled. So once this order is getting filled, so it looks completely invisible, right, on the footprint, but the only way you can spot it is buy contracts just disappearing. Like they get executed and instantly the delta disappears, which is basically them getting absorbed. So you get this kind of really slow creeping kind of market as it hoovers up all the orders, and then all of a sudden, boom, it snaps. But the problem is you don't know when that snap is going to happen, because I don't know how big the order is. It could be 1,000 contracts, could be 2,000, could be 5, could be 10. God knows how big it is, but it's there. And any moment it could just snap, and then boom, the market will, and you'll miss the trade basically if you're not in the market, which is slightly annoying. So you can get chopped up very easily. But
would you be seeing it afterwards?
Oh, you could probably spot it afterwards, yeah. But in the moment, like the footprint, once it closes, it will just look like not much volume is in the market. But that's because one side has cancelled out all the aggression on the other side. So it looks like a thin market, but it's really, there's a lot of volume being traded. It's not actually thin at all.
Interesting. There's so many ways, I guess.
It's doing it again. I'm gonna get out. I'm getting really chopped up. I'm just gonna wait here. I'm gonna wait until I see the sell aggression come in. I might miss a big part of the move, but otherwise I'm gonna get too chopped up here. There's not much I can do right now.
I think this is my rejection. Let's see. This candle right here might be my rejection, but I want to see. So I want to enter right here above this. Let's see. But also I see, like on this candle right here at the top, I see a bunch of buyers, but it's a red candle.
Yeah, someone is
really,
like I'm saying
97 it's big in my, right? It's really big.
Yeah. That's because there is someone, an institution on the other side, hoovering up all these orders for a big, they're either dumping a load of contracts.
Here we go now, 126
essentially.
This candle. Let me see if the buyer absorbed that.
This could be it now. This might be the move. I'm going in one more time. Just gonna get chopped up like crazy here. But this happens. Sometimes you can go down, then all of a sudden, boom, you catch the move, and then everything is fine and dandy again. This is part of trading.
Okay, so I guess it's no. Market doesn't want to go up on my end, so it's your short.
Yeah. All right. Let's see if this is finally the move. So a lot of volume get traded up there. They failed to push it up. The iceberg is still in play. Come on now. Hopefully their damn order is filled and we can move this market now.
Galante is
Still
asking you
hoovering up orders.
to have video using volume profile on your channel.
Hi Sam, I watched your video on using a president. Do you have videos on using? I don't at the moment, but I will create one using Volume Pro, because I do use Volume Profile, but I am getting chopped up like crazy right now. There is one institution, maybe two, who knows, but there's someone feeding a massive order right now. I'm going to calculate how many contracts they're in.
Seeing right now, is it the higher? I think it's the highest high. It's
still happening. Yeah.
What is it sitting?
What do you mean? Are we on the highs? No, we're kind of not fully at the highs. We're kind of at the high of the range that we had in the last. Yeah, this is ridiculous. All right, I'm getting out again. I have to get out. I can't keep.
No, because Dow is at the highest highs today. Like it break the highest from November.
Oh no! We're far away on the NQ from the all-time high.
All-time high. Oh my.
We're actually not that far, but we're pretty far. We're still like, I don't know how many points. Let me have a look.
Frozen.
We're like 250 points from the all-time high. All right, let me tot this up to see how many contracts have been absorbed in the last move.
Here you guys, I'm gonna go in a buy.
3 all the way to.
Put the stop loss below E-mini profit. So
over 3,000 contracts have been absorbed, which is insane. We can switch to Adelina's screen if she's just entered a trade back end. Excuse me.
The computer just keep freezing. I have to close this footprint. It's annoying.
It does slow down the computer. It's annoying.
Close it. So.
Back end. Adelina's got in a trade. Can we go to her screen, please? I think the back end has disappeared. Back end, do you exist still? Have you left us?
I'm in a long, guys. When I saw the rejection of the area that I showed you earlier, I saw the rejection, so I got in. Let's see. Footprint didn't tell me that, but I'm new to footprint, so I'm trusting my
back end. Have they actually disappeared? Let me message them.
Oh, it's okay. Here we go.
Oh, there we go. All right, they're finally here.
So I enter after the rejection here, but it looks like it want to trap me. It's a little trap. We'll see. By the way, the trade from yesterday, it was it hit my take profit, I think.
Very nice. Yeah, yesterday my trade as well. After the session, my trade hit, what do you call it? I don't think it hit my TP, but it yeah. It put me back in the positive, which is good. Oh. Their software froze the back end, so no worries, guys. We thought maybe
you're sleeping. What time is there? It's like
fell asleep.
Oh,
it's quite late. Yeah. Oh, midnight.
Oh, it's midnight. So
yeah,
we
no
understand.
Worries, guys.
Close one eye. No, we don't. But anybody in the chat is trading? Anybody wants to talk?
Yeah, talk to us.
Talk to us.
Come on now. Still.
Announce what?
Announce your position.
Okay, I'm in a long, but 48748. Stop loss for you don't put those.
No. I'm hoping this order's finally been filled.
Oh, you are on a trade too.
Yeah, I jumped in again. I saw again the same absorption happen. I mean, I'd be surprised if it hasn't been filled yet. I mean, this has been a huge sell order that's been what do you call it? That's been executed. I'm expecting a pop. Like, we haven't had the pop yet. Normally, once the order has been filled, the market just kind of like it's like a kettle that's been boiled, and then once that pressure gets released, you just get that sudden kind of explosive movement. But we haven't had that yet, because it basically clears like so many levels on the book once this order gets filled. But
what those red lines on your chart are?
Oh, those are just point of controls of all the different volume profiles. So the most heavily traded areas on the chart. I rarely use them. I only use them more just to kind of, like, if we're near a point of control, I kind of keep my eye on it, and because I expect some kind of. Now you see again the same freaking thing has happened. Footprint, the same working out yet. Come on, stop! They're still absorbing buy orders. They're still absorbing them. My God, I just saw like 400 contracts get absorbed. Who the hell is this? It's like BlackRock on the other end or something. Like, who is on the other end of this trade?
400 sales or buy contracts?
Buy contracts were absorbed. That means someone cleared.
And the market's still going up.
Well, yeah, it will still go up as these contracts get traded, but it's the person on the other side that's absorbing them. So the sellers, it's feeding a big sell position. Because you got to remember, every order that goes through the market has to have an opposite side. And the footprint only shows you the market orders. It doesn't show you the orders in the book. And it's institutions a lot of time use, if they want to fill a big order, they have to put it in the book, which basically become limit orders. And they have like really smart algorithms and software. I mean, it's not actually a human being doing most of this. This would be like all software basically, that distribute all the orders into the book to basically make it look invisible. But if you watch the footprint live, you can see how the orders jump. So you will see like 400 came in and instantly back to zero. That's someone absorbing 400 buyers in a split second. And we're talking like, I mean, the monetary value of that is, we're talking millions and millions. So it's obviously it's not going to be a retail trader. It's going to be a huge institution building up a giant position, massive position right now. Which always makes you wonder, you know, what do they know that you don't know? Are they expecting some kind of news? Are they expecting? Do they know something that we don't know? Insider trading, that's very real. Maybe someone, you know, like I saw it. We saw it happen live in one of these sessions with Daryl. I think it was Daryl and Paul. We saw it happen live just before Trump tweeted and crashed the market back, like I can't remember when it was, like a month ago. I mean, he's done so many tweets, but I can't remember what he even tweeted about now. It was tariff related again. But we saw it live in the footprint. Someone was selling a stupid amount of basically the S&P and NQ, etc. Like maybe an hour before Trump tweeted, they were going all in on it. So, and that was a complete random tweet. Like it wasn't scheduled. It wasn't like, oh, Trump is about to speak and talk about tariff. No. This was him just tweeting out the blue. So it's obviously someone who knew Trump was about to tweet this, knowing pure insider trading, right?
Yeah.
Having the information beforehand and going all in to make a ridiculous amount of money, basically. And it was the exact same kind of scenario that we have right now, where you only notice them because of the amount of buyers that get absorbed in the market. If you see a ridiculous amount of absorption, someone is building up a position. So it could either be, you know, if Trump tweets in the next like hour, I wouldn't be surprised. Because someone is building something up here. This is not normal size as well. We're talking thousands and thousands of contracts have been absorbed already. And fair enough, they're not 100% of the market. There's going to be a bunch of other participants in the market. But even if it's like 20%, it's still a huge freaking order right now. See, again, it's happening right now, right as we speak. If anyone has the footprint, they can probably see it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I wish I could show it live on these streams, the footprint, because, oh my God, that was insane. I couldn't even calculate how many orders that was. That was a large chunk of orders were absorbed. Look at that. And then the market goes dead. And then all of a sudden orders completely stop. Whoever this person is, what do you know that I don't know? Tell me what you know.
Samuel is asking us, please, today's password. Carol's profile, long NQ. Trump last post was 1 hour ago about the start of a Trump gold card programs. He's way overdue for a post. He's way overdue for a post.
Yeah. No, it might not be Trump, but it could be earnings as well. If any, let me check if there's any earning reports coming out after. Sometimes they come out. Let me do it on my phone so I don't slow down the PC. Earnings. Here we go. Calendar. Let's have a look. Yes, cookies. What date are we in today? 11th. Where is it? Oh, here we go. Any big company? Nothing. No huge giant or anything is got any earnings today? I don't think.
Maybe
keep an eye on this.
The higher highs, all-time highs. People just have sales order there.
We're still far away from the all-time highs on NQ. Very
Oh,
far still. Yeah, we're still like 250 points away. So I don't think it's that. And normally when it's like that, you see it just in one area, right? You see it near the high, at the high. All of a sudden, you see like a chunk of cells get executed, which is fine, right? I'm gonna get out of this trade again, and then I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get out. But what we're seeing here is through this whole move up, right? This whole move up. I don't know where it started, but I only started tracking it into the session, maybe like all this point here, right? Buyers would come in, big buyers with huge, a lot of buy volume, but then it get instantly absorbed. So someone has been building up an order for most of this push up, and just look at the way it's pushed up. It's crept up ever so slightly. That's because it's hoovering. It's like a vacuum. It's just sucking up all the orders in the book until you get this explosive move down. It will happen. Just when will it happen? That's the question now.
Yeah. Now I'm watching. I see the trade is just bumbling around. I'm watching to see if it's gonna break the EMA. If it's gonna break the EMA, I'll get out and go into a short. But I'm still waiting.
Good.
Just take the loose. Exactly after my entries, it got me this candle right here. I don't like big wicks like that. I don't. Because for me, it shows a reversal. But let me see on 5 minutes what's going on. Okay.
Excuse me.
Maybe a rejection to this area right here is gonna save me. But it's clearly an uptrend. Clearly, let me draw it. Here it is. That's an uptrend, guys. So maybe want to touch and retest the trend line. Let's go on to 1 minute. Okay, so I have my lines. That's what I'm watching. If it breaks the EMA and the trend line, I'm waiting for a retest of that and go short. But as it stands now, I'm still a long. I should have probably taken the trade right here at 12 when we started.
Holy shit! Holy crap!
What happened?
1 second. I just saw, I think close to 600 buy contracts just got absorbed. It's still happening. That's another 600 have been added. Like, that's huge volume, especially for the NQ. I wonder if it's happening on the... Actually, no, I'm not going to get off the chart. Holy crap. Who is this person?
I close my
Black Rock.
because it was frozen my computer, so I just close it.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
Again, it's happening. It's happening right now as we speak. It's happening. I'm not going to enter yet. I'm gonna wait a bit more. I'm not going to try front running because I'm going to get chopped up to hell trying to catch
Wait
this.
for a strong bearish.
Yeah,
strong bearish.
Once I see it stop happening, then I know the order's been filled. Couple that with some kind of downward movement, sell pressure, then I'll jump in. But as it stands right now, it's a bit dangerous to. Holy moly! Look at it, how it's creeping. It's creeping up.
Holy guacamole.
It's literally. This is insane. Someone knows something. I would love to know who the other person is on the other side. I would love to kind of like. They must have serious money. They must have serious money.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, people that are watching us, what do you guys think? What do you guys see? Carol's profile, 25691 long. Here we go, I think. It's going down. Let's see what happens.
So if you think about it,
Hmm?
I'm trying to figure out how much money is actually being absorbed right now.
Mm.
If one mini contract,
Mm-hmm.
so each contract we're at 25,000 is the NQ. 25 times, and then it's 20, so 25,000.
25,000. But I think you need how much? You need $5 or so. Yeah. How much do you need?
Yeah,
$5?
No. But I mean the actual like monetary value, the position size. Mm-hmm. One contract is close to 500,000, right? So when you're thinking someone is dropping 500 contracts in one go, absorbing it, with each one being they're basically placing $200 million trade like that on the other side. That is freaking insane. And they've been doing that for this whole move up. They've probably absorbed a few thousand contracts they've absorbed. So we're talking like we're talking hundreds and hundreds of millions this position on the other side, which is insane. Like, jeez, they're not messing around. This has got to be like BlackRock or something.
Are you going to catch it?
Well, I hope so. If it happens in the next 30 minutes, because we only got 30
I mean,
minutes.
if it's going to happen, it's not just going to happen for the next 2 minutes. You're going to catch it. Even if you're going to be a minute late, you're going to catch it.
I'll trade it. Even after the session ends, I'll trade. Because I want to catch this move.
Here we go. That's might be the rejection to the trend line in the EMA. So.
The book has become surprisingly thin right now. Everything's clearing out slowly. Very interesting.
Tiger is taking an AI course and about to fall asleep.
Yeah. I know what you
I
mean.
think I have to look into that too. AI is the future. Is this new show on Apple? I think it's on Apple TV. I don't know
Yeah.
what it's called because I'm bad at name. With this blonde woman that, and she lives. It's a new virus, and all the people, everybody in the world has all the knowledge that everybody else has, and they cannot lie, they cannot kill, they cannot, and they talk to you like when you talk with the ChatGPT, that's how they talk to you. Pretty interesting. Start
Might have
watching
to
it.
watch it.
I
Apple
wonder,
TV, you said.
I think it's Apple TV, but I don't know the name. I'm so bad at names.
Do you know who's in it? Like any famous actor?
It's a blonde actor that also played in a Better Call Saul.
Oh, okay, yeah.
She was the lawyer. I don't know her name.
Okay, I think this might be the move. I'm gonna jump in now again. Short. I think we might have filled this damn order finally. If it goes against me even a bit, I'm gonna get out because I'm not trusting this market. Because I am not trusting it one bit. But I hope I'll have my finger on flat just in case. If I see anything I don't like, I'm getting out.
Okay. I'm also looking for the short because it did break this. So let's see.
Come on, make the move now. Just keeping my eye out for any big absorption. If I still see big absorption happen, I know that the order hasn't been filled and I have to get out. Then it's just that's again, freaking absorption happening right there. Are you kidding me? All right, it was only 150 contracts. So it's not the biggest absorption. It should be fine. Okay, here we go. Here's some sellers coming in now.
For me to consider.
All right. This could be it. Let me just mark this out.
For me to consider a break, I need a full candle or red candle. Close and open. Open and close below the zone, below the trend line. So if this is the one, I just close my position. And wait for a retest. He go short. Come on,
show me
child.
something. Show me that this is the move. Just show me something. It's like the calm before the storm. I can sense it. Here comes a bit of sellers now coming in. 160 contract, 170. This order filled. Please tell me it's filled. Come on. Crash down with absolute force. I know this. Huge amount.
I'm out of the trade. Waiting for the short.
Come on. Here we go.
How is it going?
This could be it. It still hasn't done what I expected it to do. I expected more explosive power than this. This is still relatively weak. I think we're just sort of breaking structure. We'll probably come back up for a retest and then the move will happen. So I might bag some money now, let it pull back. If I see anything I don't like, I'm getting out. Wait for a pullback and then go in hard. Because this still isn't the move. It doesn't look powerful enough yet. There's just not enough volume behind this. For such a big order, there has to be more volume. All those buyers get squeezed out then. Okay, we got aggressive buyers coming back in. This might be the retest area. I might just bag some money. Let's see what happens. The seller's gonna actually come in. Show me something. All right, okay. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna bag that money. I think though, I'm gonna get ready to jump back in because I think any moment, I think the move is about to happen. And then I just need to see some trapped. Just need to see that happen. Come on, show me it. Show me. Show me you want to do it.
Cowboy, hello, hello. We are great. How are you? Carol Profits is Longo Jojo. Ojo. Delante. I hope it gets a retest. I miss it by a couple of ticks. What retest?
Come on. Oh, my eyes are getting blurry staring at this.
I can see. He really focused there.
I'm just trying to catch any sign of absorption, anything like that. I need to know if this order's been filled or not. I'm not entirely sure it has yet. I feel... Come on, where are you? Where are you? I can't see that any big activity happening yet. It's still very, very kind of like calm. I swear, if I miss this move down, I'm gonna be so pissed. There's no way I've waited all this time and then it didn't happen. This might be it. I'm gonna jump in again. I'm just not seeing. I'm getting FOMO because I don't want to miss it. So I'm being a bit reckless here. I just saw a little bit of absorption. I think that could be it. Could be the start of a chain reaction here. Come on, give me that explosive move.
This might be the retest. Right here. Let's see.
Come on, where is that explosion? I need sellers to come in.
You need a boom.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that pop. It has to pop. There's so many contracts built up into this market. It has to pop. Where is it? I'm not seeing any sign of it yet. $35, $36, $42, $31, $35, $38, $46, $54, $66.
You look like you do that.
Sorry, yeah. I'm tracking the live orders, and then that way I can see if there's a absorption. 5, 11, 13. Come on, where are you?
I think you have a pretty good entry right there.
Yeah, but I have to be like perfect with my entry. This one, this could be very dangerous because if the order hasn't been filled, it could rise up to get more. Because the market has to go wherever the liquidity is, right? So if they want to sell another 1,000 contracts, it has to rise to give you 1,000 buyers for the other side of that order. So that is the worrying part. I just hope that it's been filled. If it's been filled, we're dropping down, which is fine, which is good, which is what I want, obviously. But if it hasn't been filled, oh dear. And I've got to be... I need an explosion. I think there's a bit of an explosive move there, but I need more. I can start piling on more contracts. As soon as I'm confident that the order's been filled, I can add more size to it, because then I know which is flooding down. This might be it, actually. All right, we've had a few more sellers come in. I'm adding another contract, 3. Let's keep that going. Let's keep that going. I'm going to have my finger on flatten just in case, because it might... All right, here's a critical area. If we don't see rejection here, then we get a problem. Come on. Don't give up here. Don't give up. Where is it? Where are these damn orders? Oh, you silly. Come on. Stop faffing about here.
It's going pretty well, Sam. What you talking about? Look.
No, I know, but I'm expecting a harsher move. The volume coming in is too little. I'm expecting buyers to drop out soon. Only a few are dropping out, but they're still clinging on. They're defending this damn all those buyers that came in. I don't blame them, because they came in with so much size. They're defending it like crazy. So I just need an explosive move down to solidify it, to almost be like, all right, here we go, this is it.
Carol Profit says long. Yeah, Carol, but also keep in mind that Sam is a scalper. Like, he's a quick scalper. So maybe you see a long.
You can be
yeah,
right in all different time frames, you know.
Mm-hmm.
All depends on your time frame. Come on. They're getting absorbed now. Come on. Don't defend. Stop defending. No one likes people who defend. Just do your standing.
He said no one likes
really
people
hold on to this
defend.
order. Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Where is the size? I'm still not seeing size come in.
We got 10 contracts here. I'm waiting for another red candle so I can go in a short.
Drop a few thousand contracts and then, well, not a few thousand, but a few hundred at very least. Give me like 400 or 500 contracts, something like that. Show me you want to drop really hard, NQ.
Show me the money.
Exactly. Okay, we've had a little bit absorption happen. That means buyers are trying to buy up the sell pressure. Okay, we're starting a final battle going on now. Okay, buyers are coming in again. Let's see how effective they are. They are quite effective, these bastards. I don't like it. I need to see sellers reject here. I need to see sellers defend this area. Don't be a dick now. Come on. Where are you, sellers?
80% of the
That's
traders are.
it. Buyers look potentially trapped here. That's where the buyers came in. Oh, they're still coming in, these freaking buyers. Are you kidding me? All right, I might have to. Oh, something's going on here. Something is happening. Holy shit, what the hell's going on? Do you know how many contracts were just traded? They're still getting absorbed. They're still getting absorbed. Something is still happening. There's a huge... You know what? I think it's institutions on both sides. I think they're fighting. Because even on the buy side, I just saw a huge buyer come in. Yeah. I only saw it on the sell side earlier. Now I'm seeing it on the buy side too. I think it's two institutions.
So how
fighting.
does that work when the institution fight?
Well, I mean, they're just like any other traders. They're just trading with much bigger size. That's all.
So somebody's gonna lose a lot of money.
Well, that's part trading. I may get out and wait because I don't like this. I don't like this institution that's come in. I've got out. I might jump back in.
Anyway, you got a green, you got a nice profit there for this trade. So
not really. Wasn't that great.
you said wasn't that great.
There is a huge. Okay, that's super interesting. I think they're ready to. I think I might jump in again. Actually, I think it might be time. Come on, show me. Show me. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. It might be. All right, I'm going back in. I think this is it.
Delante says it's bounce off the EMA 14.
This is it. Come on. Get me down. Get me down. Get me down. Bam, bada, bam, bam. Bam, bada, bam, bam.
Now let's
This
see what
buyer's still in the market.
value.
Oh, shit, this buyer's still in the market. They're still buying. 25,603 back end. Oh, watch. It's Rolex. No, it's not. It's a Rolex date just or whatever it's called. Yeah. Sorry, I have to concentrate back end. I'm very mid trade here. Yeah, no. This is the buyers. The institutional buyer still in the market. All right, let's wait for them to. That's not working out. Man, I'm got chopped up hard on this session. It's been my worst session in weeks. But it's
Really?
fine. Yeah.
I didn't feel like you took so many trades.
By far, this has been my worst session in weeks. But the day isn't over. I still see these freaking institutions coming in. It's still going to happen.
If I wasn't to close my initial position, I'll still be in a trade, and probably I would break even right now.
I'm back in.
Why did I?
I think we'll probably go down all the way back down to these lows for the day. Come on now. There is a big buy and a big seller in the market, both at the same time. But I've tracked the seller to have at least like 1.5, 2,000 contracts on their position. The buyer was big, but not that big. So I'm hoping the buyer it's just feeding the other seller right now.
So, but if you say that you see more sale contracts bigger than the buyer, but still the buyers moved the market.
Yes. So when it comes to aggressive orders, when it comes to aggressive orders, that holds true. But when it comes to limit orders, so when institutions enter and they enter based on the book, it's basically like iceberg orders, they call them. They're big orders. They don't have the same. So aggressive orders move the market, right? That's the only orders that move the market. If then fill me to the next available seller available on the book, right? So that moves the market up, but the seller has just got in as well, because there is a seller in the market as well. So when you see an institution enter on the book, they do it to basically, they don't want to affect the market. So if someone wants to sell 2,000 contracts and they do it aggressively, they're just going to push the market down like crazy. And they're going to get a bad price on every order, right? But if you want to sell 1,000 contracts and you put it in the book will rise to your contracts, to your position, and then execute you, giving you a great price, right? So it only matters on aggressive orders. Passive orders don't move the market, but you can track using the footprint. You can still kind of track them based on the amount of absorption you see in the market, and then you just got to take a mental note roughly of how many orders were absorbed. Obviously, it's not going to be an exact amount, but you get like a rough idea within a few hundred contracts, and then you remember then, okay, so there's a big seller that built up a huge position to push the market up all this high, built up a huge position, and they're gonna want a return on their position. So they may start getting aggressive. If they're happy, if their whole order's been filled, they may start adding aggression to push the market down and overwhelm any buyers in the market, and that's when you get this sudden boom. But it's kind of happened, but it hasn't happened yet. It's still kind of being built up. We're going to run out of time, sadly, but I'll update everyone tomorrow on these trades, because I will keep trading it, because I'm not missing this move. Like, I am not missing it. I will trade it until it happens. There is no way I'm too into deep.
Twisted Nut says, Sam, you are so far you are my favorite. Super educational. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's great. He's coaching me too about this footprint. So when I ask questions, I ask also for you guys, for me, but I take the information from Sam.
Thank you, guys.
I'll squeeze you.
Sadly, today's session has been a bit of a. I would love to, still be live when it actually happens, but I doubt it's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. So, I tell you what, maybe I'll record it. Maybe I'll put like a screen recorder, and then when it does happen, I can do a video on my channel, breaking it down, because there's a huge seller in this market. They're still building up a position. And you got to ask yourself, like, who is this person? Who has hundreds of millions to put into one trade? Like, who could that possibly be? Like, it's smaller than like BlackRock. BlackRock's another level of size. Like, if BlackRock was in the market, well, they are in the market. You just don't. Again, you don't notice them because they sprinkle their orders in between. It's definitely an algorithm doing it, though. 100%. This wouldn't be like a human being controlling it. This is pure algorithmic. Look, they're still at it right now. They're still at it. There we go. We saw it again on the footprint. It went from 120, dropped down to 25. That means 100 contracts again were fed into whoever this person is, because it happened so quickly. It's one entity, right? If it jumps like over a period of time, like slowly from like 120 and it goes to 100 and it goes to 110 and then goes to like 90, that's just natural, loads of people, absorbing some buyers. But when it goes from like 125 back down to like 20, that's one entity in a split second absorbed it. And that's all on the book. That's all through a limit order, because it shows up as a buy. So it's on the other side. It's the limit orders that are absorbing it. I know a lot of people probably can't see, obviously, what I'm explaining, because unfortunately we can't show other platforms on the live stream. We can only obviously trading with Ola Prime, so we can't. Unfortunately, I can't show you the footprint, but if you saw the footprint, it would all make sense what I'm talking about here. But all right, I think it's probably gonna take a bit of time. It's probably not gonna happen yet, but we are almost done with this session.
4 more minutes.
I would say, oh, is there a password back end? Let us know if someone wanted the password, didn't they?
Nikki Libitz 25. Peace.
Let me just get out of the trade quickly. All right. Yeah, tell me if you could message it in the or through my ear. That's fine. Back end. We will announce the password in a moment, everyone. So stay tuned.
For the 3 more minutes. You stick in with us for the last hour. Stick 3 more minutes.
I saw it. Where is it? I saw it in the chat somewhere, I think.
I saw it too this morning, but...
Okay, yeah. Gotcha. All right, thank you, backend. Okay, so viewers, we have the password for today's session, and it's Prime, Prime. There'll be a graphic on screen any moment now, showing it. So yeah, go over to our Discord, go to Trade Secrets channel or community, and then submit the password in that format right there. I know I'm pointing the wrong way, that way. Password, your email, futures. Okay. That's the password.
Good luck.
Oh, and also to mention, there is a link in the chat for up next, the next stream, which will be with Daryl and Tony. It will be Mag 7 Madness, so they're going over all the stocks, the 7 big stocks, big tech stocks. So yeah, excuse me, the Magnificent 7, as they call them. So that's up next. So go ahead, click on that link. You'll be taken to the next live stream. That's pretty much it for us. We've got a few more minutes.
Yep. 1 more minute, guys.
1 more minute. Let's see what's going on here.
If no, it's fine. It's okay. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Andrew. See you tomorrow.
Take care, Andrew. Yep.
See you tomorrow.
All right. Well, guys, we've pretty much hit time. Adelina, awesome session.
Yes.
I will see you tomorrow. Up next, like I said, we have Tony and Dorelius, or Daryl, as all of you know him, with Mag 7 Madness. So if you're into stocks and all that, well worth tuning in. But apart from that, also link is in the chat to that stream. It's a brand new stream. Okay, so won't follow on from this stream. You have to click the link in the chat or go to the channel, Ola Prime Official, and you'll see the stream there. All right. But apart from that, guys, thank you all for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow. Adelina,
see you tomorrow. Bye.
Ola Prime, trade with transparency.